I'm sorry, but modern cameras are far too sharp. So on my little jaunt up to a Welsh castle this morning, I am carrying an ideal camera for the situation, and it is the little Holga, but not a Holga as you know it. This is a 35mm Holga. It's got a smaller film, it is lower quality. It is going to render things in a soft and mushy way, hopefully, and it is not going to be super sharp, because super sharp just ain't going to cut it. Now I'll bet if you asked a typical photographer what the most important characteristic of a lens is, they would almost certainly say sharpness. But I'd actually answer that the important thing is the character of the lens, what it delivers to your photography. And for me, the most important thing is that character, which is why I don't always shoot with sharp lenses. In fact, more and more I'm favouring soft, fuzzy lenses made out of plastic or even pinholes. Images that need sharpness need good lenses. But today, I don't want sharp images. I'm shooting a 800-year-old castle. I want it to feel like an 800-year-old castle. I want it to feel like the past. Let me tell you a little bit about the camera. Now the camera has one shutter speed, which is, I don't know, 60th, 100th of a second. Who can say? It's a bit random. And it really only effectively has one aperture. The point of this camera is to go out and point and shoot. Just point and shoot. It weighs nothing. It doesn't cost that much. It doesn't matter if it gets wet. Who cares? But the images are absolutely spot on for this location. Now there is another creative feature you can use on these cameras, and that is because they have a weakness of vulnerability. They have no ability to stop you taking multiple frames without winding on. So if I want to, I can keep pressing the shutter release and I will get a blurry, slightly stepped image, which is absolutely fantastic, to be honest. And it's something else I like about these cameras. It just adds to that creativity. You know, photography aside, the people who lived up here and built these structures, they deserve a medal. Now I could have lugged the Bronica or another medium format camera up there and taken some serious shots. And I've done that in the past, but I think these work better. I think they're more of the place, about the place. They say more about me. And it's my interpretation. You can shoot it with 60 bazillion megapixels. I'm not going to. Now interestingly, or maybe not, I was out shooting with this camera around Liverpool the other week. Took it for a quick spin while everyone else was shopping. GoPro 10s don't really like clone batteries very much. They cut you off halfway through. So I'll whack some of those pictures up here. Now if you want to see more Holga goodness, check out this video here. What a blast. And I'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching.